A theft call at a Walgreens. Nothing unusual until the responding officer realized this wasn't the first time he dealt with this exact woman.
You know, I've arrested this woman so many times, and the last time I arrested her, she literally gave me a fake, like she gave me a fake name, right? So like when I walked up to her, I was like, hey, what's going on? That's not my name. I'm so sorry. I genuinely felt bad. And you're really thinking that I called you out your name. She's like, I know more. Like, that was so stupid. Like, lie to him. He's never met you.
Yeah. I think giant rocks or something crazy.
On September 17th, 2023, in Florida, an officer responded to a Walgreens for a reported theft in progress. $40. That is the total value of merchandise this woman was accused of concealing. Yet by the end of this encounter, she faced criminal exposure of up to 35 years in prison. That gap between a $40 theft and decades of possible incarceration is exactly what this analysis breaks down.
Where are you going? Stop! You're under arrest! What? 20 I'm out with the female at the Walgreens. Joe, please. Please. Stop right now. Please. Go. Stop resisting. Please. Just let me go. You're under arrest now. Please let me go. Oh, you're under arrest. Please let go my... Oh, stop. Please. You are under arrest. Please let go my... Please let go my... Stop right now. You're resisting. Please let go my... I'm not letting you go. Please let go my... Please stop. You grab me. Please let go me. You're going to jail. Please! You got nowhere to go back here. If I let go, I'm gonna get you on the other side. Let go of me. Please don't. Please. My backup's coming, and you're gonna get tased. Please don't. Stop right now! Please! Okay. Alright. Stop! Okay. Hands up now! Hands up, you're under arrest! You understand me? I can't put my other hand up. Don't put your hand up. Oh. 20 Walgreens. Ingalls and Larkin. Female bit me. He's in the wood, tree line here.
We got units around.
22 on my black and Larkin. Hold on, I'm almost there.
You're gonna get tased as soon as you get out of here. Give me a unit. Yeah, she's in there somewhere. Female white wearing a white hoodie.
Female white, blonde hair, white hoodie.
Ma'am, you are surrounded. You are under arrest. Come out with your hands up.
Oh, no. The K-9 is coming. You're going to get bit. You better sound off right now. Get your hands up.
Come on out. I hear you. Hands up. You lost. You just made matters worse for yourself. Come on out. She's definitely in it. Okay. She didn't jump out. She wouldn't be able to jump out that fast. That's where she jumped over right there to your left. And she dunked down over here. Can we get a unit to the north side of the building? She drops her purse. Probably has the merchandise in it, maybe an IDs. You are under arrest. Come out with your hands up before you make it worse for yourself.
Only one got bit, right?
I got it.
You got bit? Yeah. Just take your coat off in there just to make sure. No phone. All right. 6 1 3 7 9 0.
How did you lady bit me? She crawling.
0.
Yeah.
No way. Comes back to Samantha Bravado. Got across the.
No, where'd you? Oh, there.
It's Samantha. She should be 99.
She didn't break through her skin at all.
Right here.
Okay.
At the 2 marks.
Yeah, she should be 99 in the county.
Yeah. She didn't even really break skin. Sarge said she's a prostitute. So just,
Oh, come on.
That's what he said. So the big thing is just make sure you clean it. She didn't break the skin, which is a little bit of blood, but I would say, yeah, because that's disinfectant, so that would be your best shot right now, just to keep it clean, try and kill it. And then, yeah, the big thing is just, washing it.
Yeah. They thought she was stealing. I was talking to them inside about some other case, and she just slides out, starts running. I'm like, well, that's good enough for me.
Yeah.
Let's chase her, jumped over there.
So she's hiding out there somewhere?
Yeah, she's in the
Wow.
You saw her jump this fence? You jumped right over here. I held on to her as long as I could. Then she went, tried to get to the other side. I ran around. She never made it. And she tried to crawl and duck down. So she's laying down right here in the brush.
All right. Joliet Police K9! Amanda, in the one line, you are under arrest. You are under arrest. Make yourself known right now. We're going for you to search. He will find you and he will fight you. Man, kid. Surrender now. Joliet Police K9.
The stop itself begins with a private citizen's report, not the officer's own observation of a taking. Under Illinois versus Gates, information from a store employee can establish probable cause if the totality of circumstances makes it reliable. Here, staff reported her purse getting larger and larger as she moved through the aisles, a textbook concealment indicator. That single detail is enough to satisfy the reliability threshold Gates requires, even without an independent police observation. Florida Statute 812.014 also matters here. Theft under $750 is charged only as a second-degree misdemeanor. That cap of up to 60 days in jail is why the original offense alone was never the real legal risk in this case. When she slipped away from the register and ran, the analysis shifts to Illinois versus Wardlow. Wardlow held that unprovoked flight from police presence can itself contribute to reasonable suspicion. But flight alone would only support further detention. It does not, by itself, create a new criminal charge. The charge of resisting an officer with violence, under Florida Statute 843.01, required more than simply running. That statute demands physical force used against an officer performing a lawful duty, not mere non-compliance. The tug of war over her clothing during the initial grab, and her pulling away, already begins to meet that threshold. Florida courts have distinguished passive resistance, like going limp, from active physical resistance, like pulling or striking an officer. Everything documented here, pulling away, breaking free, and hiding from a search team, falls on the active side of that line. Florida Statute 843.01 also requires that the resistance be knowing and willful. Accidental or reflexive movement would not qualify under that standard. Deliberately pulling free from an officer's grip after being told she was under arrest satisfies that mental state requirement.
Here! Man, there's a dog in there. Get your hands up. Get up. You got her?
All right.
Good job,
First, before I go, I know I'm going to go. I can't go to the hospital.
Get on your toe. Get on your feet.
I'm trying.
Is she already crying for an ambulance?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stand up.
There's a bunch of stuff in her bag.
Merchandise.
Yeah.
Well, they're gonna be good here. I'm gonna go and
the bag?
Yeah, I'll get the bag. I'll go get it.
Personal stuff. That's jazzy.
Thanks. She bit me. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah. They wanted you to show up even though I was in the.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't, like, I've dealt with her 1,000 times. I've never known, like, punched that and stop her. But, yeah.
Can you take him to do a show up?
Yeah. I'm gonna do enough. I'm in the car.
All right.
You alright?
Yeah, she barely cut the skin. I'm more pissed off than her. She bit me.
And for the items she stole and fled over, well, these are them.
Yeah, she saw you and she just took off from there, right?
I tried to lean in and see if I could see anything. I couldn't see anything. You guys didn't have her anything. I didn't have anything. And but running in the high crime area is enough to to go after. So can you just see what is yours? Yeah. I'll get a property theft log.
52 come to the rear of Walgreens.
Trusted
You
and
want me to at least handle the retail theft portion? You just handle the like.
No, it'll be all together. So
You okay?
yeah, can you grab me a retail theft?
We're headed over there now. Stay with head for. We call them.
What's up, man? Good.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
I want to see.
barely broke the skin.
Yeah, you probably gotta look. Still gotta look at it. Dirty.
They looked at it and said just clean it up and that's all I need.
Okay.
And then they documented for whatever on the report. Just
All right. As long as you're good with that, now we can get you some swing up there. Okay. I'll try to see that shot. They clean it up for you?
yeah, we put some
Stuff on it?
antibacterial stuff. Yeah.
What was she stealing? Was it the problem?
Yeah,
Okay.
so I came in here to talk about a different case, see if they had video from a different case. They told me, hey, good timing. This lady, her purse is getting larger and larger and larger.
Sure.
They didn't see anything taken for sure.
So I stood by the register, figured I'd deter, tried peeking in her purse as she was trying to check out a few items she had.
She didn't agree with that?
Then she just slid and then just booked it. So I took chase.
As long as you guys are good.
Did she have pants when she was in here?
That's what I was holding on to for dear life.
No. The old pants in the bushes street.
Well, I'll see you guys down at the station then, just whenever you're done.
Alright.
Oh my goodness.
Right place at the right time or the wrong place at the wrong time. Oh.
When's the last time this dude chased somebody out, gat bit?
Oh, no. I'm too big to be running around. Damn. You know, with all the crazy people every time.
No judgments. You know, just asking questions. That's all. You know. I've arrested this woman so many times. And the last time I arrested her, she literally gave me a fake, like she gave me a fake name, right? So like when I walked the floor, I was like, hey, what's going on? Samantha? That's not my name. I'm so sorry. I genuinely felt bad because I thought I called her the wrong name. And then later on, I'm like, you had me really thinking that I called you out your name. She's like, I know more. Like, that was so stupid. Like lie to him. He's never met you.
Yeah.
I think tried giant rocks or something crazy.
Crack. I don't think that's anything like crazy.
Massive rock.
Massive crack addict. You want to test it?
No, absolutely. Look scratchy. I got 2 no left.
Whoever's behind me, I know.
I almost crashed.
So this is all we're looking at pretty much. Is this yours or is that yours?
No, that's hers. Yeah, she actually bought that.
Did she buy it?
Yeah,
she was in the process.
Yeah, she bought that.
Oh, at the pharmacy.
Yeah, and then she was walking around with that bag. And that's what she was doing. Yeah,
How about these?
Yeah, those two. Yeah, she bought.
Is this yours too or no?
Yeah, that's ours. Yeah, she bought the toilet paper and the syringes.
That's yours?
That's hers.
So is that maybe $40 worth of stuff right now?
Yeah, she definitely bailed on. We found some stuff over that she didn't leave us over. So she must have saw him and just immediately was like, okay, put some of this stuff back. And then she bought like a few items to the register. It was like a gator.
She was acting like weird. We were watching her for like 25 minutes now. That was weird. You alright?
Yeah.
She didn't break the skin or anything?
She did a little bit, but they
I would go get checked. You know what I mean? Like,
they were saying it wasn't
your hand, not them. She's a well-known prostitute.
How well known?
She's advertises.
Oh, I was just asking how.
Is that right there?
Yeah.
That's broken skin, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes.
Default 17, see if there's another way in.
You got everything to lose and nothing to gain, so might as well go. That is broken skin.
Yeah.
I'm sure I can handle the retail theft for you. Do a follow up.
Yeah. Dude, why don't you get that and go straight to the hospital? Get that moving.
Then I got a quick follow up.
Do you have a body cam or is that an extra holder?
That's an extra holder.
Okay.
I got an extra body camera at the station. Because I probably drive to a different.
Yeah, you should probably do that.
It's up to you.
Alright.
It's for the best, man.
Yeah.
I mean, get a tetanus shot, at the very least, get a tetanus
They'll
shot.
give you a lollipop.
Alright. I do want to go with the PCS too.
The most serious charge, however, comes from a single act, the bite delivered during the struggle in the brush. Florida Statute 784.07 reclassifies simple battery to a felony when committed against a law enforcement officer. The statute requires only an intentional touching or striking against the officer's will or the causing of bodily harm. A bite that breaks the skin satisfies both elements at once, intentional contact and resulting injury. This is why a woman initially stopped for a $40 theft now faces the statute's most severe tier. The maximum penalty on paper reaches 30 years for that charge alone, 5 more when combined with resisting. In practice, sentences at that ceiling are reserved for far more severe injuries than a minor bite requiring only a tetanus shot. But the felony classification itself is not discretionary. The statute applies the moment bodily harm occurs, regardless of severity. It's worth noting the statute does not require intent to injure, only intent to make contact, which the bite plainly demonstrates. Before the canine was released, officers issued repeated verbal warnings identifying themselves and the dog by name. That warning requirement exists precisely so a hiding suspect has a final, clear chance to surrender without being bitten. Under Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of that force is judged from the officer's perspective at the time, not with hindsight. Given an already resisting concealed suspect, deploying a trained K9 rather than continuing a blind physical search meets that reasonableness standard. Had officers released the K9 without any warning, that same use of force analysis could have turned against them instead. With the legal framework established, here is how each party in this encounter should be evaluated. The responding officer earns a B+. His reliance on the employee's report was legally sound, and his call for backup rather than continuing a solo struggle was tactically correct. The verbal warnings before the K9 search further protected the legality of that use of force. His one shortcoming was the initial grab at her clothing, which likely contributed to the drawn-out physical struggle that followed. The subject earns a D. Fleeing a misdemeanor theft investigation, then physically resisting and biting an officer, converted a low-level charge into a stacked felony exposure. Nothing about the underlying theft required that outcome. The escalation was entirely a product of her own choices during the chase. A third party also deserves evaluation here. The Walgreens loss prevention staff who flagged the concealment in the first place. Their report was specific enough to meet the Gates reliability standard, giving the officer a legally sufficient basis to act. That specificity is exactly what separates a legally sound citizen tip from a vague, unusable hunch. For that reason, store staff, in this case, earn a solid A for the quality of the information they provided. So the question worth asking is this: how many of us assume a shoplifting stop can never turn into a felony case? Here are 3 takeaways from this case. 1. Fleeing or resisting a stop almost always carries far greater legal exposure than the original offense being investigated. 2. Any physical contact with an officer, even a bite lasting seconds, can trigger a separate and more serious felony charge. 3. A specific, detailed citizen report, not just a vague suspicion, is often all that's legally required to justify a stop.
Female bit me.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.